Hello, Mega Love shout out. My name is Pure Stoneheart and welcome to my channel. And now I'm here at the Global Village. Look at this one, guys. See, some people, a lot of people, my colleagues are here. Say hi to my vlog.
Hello!
Say hi to my vlog. Hi to my vlog. Hi to my vlog. Dalawa kasi dual yung camera ko. Hello. Hi.
Sir, isa pa. Ang dami mga picture maganda. Sabi mo doon sa loob, mas marami maganda.
Mamaya paglabas. Oh. Kasi dalawa yung ano ko, dalawa. Yes.
Ay, bibili akong ganyan po.
Yes. Kahit walang mag-picture sa akin, dalawa ang picture ko, di ba? Thank you so much.
Oh no. Hindi ko alam gamitin yung ako.
Yan, we're here at the entrance of the Global Village, guys. Thank you so much. Hope you like and share my video. See? That's the exit part. Yeah. See? Sasabihin nila na ini-edit ko daw na ganito. Hindi, camera ko yan. Wait.
Ay, naku, mapapaano mo yata ako ng
Nokia.
Parang meron.
This, guys, it will change color in a minute or seconds, I guess. Now it's green. You look at that one green and later so we're here to buy our tickets. This is a ticketing office. Yes. A perfect man. Oh. Okay.
Hello. Andyan na naman ako. I know that. That's a Nokia. But it's dual. I know that I have also, but I don't know how to use.
See, it changes everything.
Asa naman niya eh. Sir! Hindi ko na makasaan eh.
Yan lang yung pang-vlog. Tapos i-diretso na. Hindi. Meron siyang options, applications. Hindi. Part siya ng settings sa camera na dual.
Ng phone na yan.
Pangano kasi talaga siya? I can touch what I'm watching. I think I know that.
Kasi naglakad tayo.
You remove your mask.
Ang laki na ng damit ko pero next pa rin ng chat.
You try that one and you're going to Sa anong model yan?
X20.
Ha?
X20.
Bili ka na, uy.
Nguya na bayad, uy.
Matag 20.
Yes. Hi, I have now a ticket for Global Village. Thanks for the sponsor.
Thank you for the sponsor. Thank you for the
May bayad yan.
sponsor.
Where's your ticket, guys? Where's your ticket? Show me your ticket.
For the
Show me your ticket.
For the sponsor. Yeah. It's not clear. It's against the light.
Hi. Hello, Renata.
Ayan sa vlog niya. Ang alam ko ito ring akin, hindi ko lang alam gamitin. Kasi ito sir, nanonood ako na nag-chat.
Yeah, we're here at the entrance, guys. Look.
Ano makita dito sir?
Ano, mga ganyan, mga bahay-bahay. Mga bahay-bahay. It's okay if I can take pictures. Yeah, I'm here at the gate now and he's taking my ticket for my entrance. Thank you, sir. Yes. This is so. Bahala na sila. No, ayan. Now guys, we are here and Statue of Liberty. So this is, I believe, New York, US country. The country is US. So this is where we are. Balloons for everyone. Yes, this is the entrance, guys. See, we're here in the entrance. Souvenir ticket. Good. It's been like how many years I wasn't able to come here. So this is where. So this one is so this is what, China? I don't know what's this one. Thank you so much, guys. See you later. Bye.